Plato taught that the human psyche has three parts: reason, the thinker; spirit, the will, courage; appetite, the emotions and desires. Healing, to Plato, is inner harmony. It is when our reason guides us with wisdom, our spirit supports us with courage, and our emotions follow rather than dominate. When we are out of harmony, we are fragmented within. But when aligned, we experience peace, strength, and clarity. This unity of soul is the root of all healing. Thank you for joining me on Conscious-Centered Living, Philosophy of the Soul. If this message resonated, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to awaken to their inner truth. May your soul continue remembering its own light.